Inside this elegant pocket watch signed by Gordon of London lies a true treasure of early horology, a Verge Fusee mechanism, one of the first solutions ever developed to improve the accuracy of portable timepieces. At its heart is the Verge Escapement, a technology that dates back to the 17th century. It transforms the continuous unwinding of the mainspring into regular impulses, causing the balance to oscillate rhythmically. While less precise than later escapements, it represents a crucial milestone in the evolution of mechanical watches. But the real secret of this movement is the fusee, a small, cone-shaped gear connected to the mainspring. As the spring gradually loses tension, the spiral shape of the fusee compensates for that loss, delivering a more consistent torque to the gear train. It's an ingenious engineering solution to the limitations of early mainsprings. The signature Gordon, London on the movement is more than just a name, it's a mark of prestige. London watchmakers like Gordon produced these pieces by hand, often for nobility or influential merchants, blending mechanical innovation with artistic craftsmanship. Watching this mechanism in motion is like opening a window into the past, an era when every gear, pivot, and spring was assembled by hand with near-surgical precision.